first website I would recommend is AliExpress, not to be confused with Alibaba, which are owned by the same company, hence the name. Although these sites may seem interchangeable, they are actually different in more than one way. AliExpress is for consumers, while Alibaba is for businesses. With this in mind, I'd recommend AliExpress for beginners as it not only is more user-friendly and easy to use than Alibaba, but you also do not need a lot of money to spend. With Alibaba, you are dealing with real suppliers for actual companies, which means they will require you to buy a lot of the item they are selling, which in turn means more money out of your pocket up front. AliExpress is less risk because you can buy as much of the item as you want and you aren't restricted to how much you need to buy. So with AliExpress, I'm actually going to show you how you can use it to buy your products. So obviously when I say products, I'm talking about the products that you've used my process with. So by using watchcount.com and the eBay advanced search, you should have two products that you have. So let's say you list those products and one of them sells. You're going to want to head over to AliExpress here, and then you want to go to type in the exact name of the product. So again, this could be a general name, but like, just a general precise name. So for my example, I did smart trash can, so I will be doing smart trash can. Click that. And here, obviously, we have all of the smart trash cans here on AliExpress for us to order. Now, you obviously want to find the one that is similar or the same to the one that you sold. So obviously, you want to choose from here the ones that look similar to the one that was on watch count. So from the one that I chose on watch count, it looked kind of similar to this a little bit. And obviously you want to check out what the price, see how much profit you're going to make, and you want to click the shipping from China. Then you can click buy now. And then you can sign in. I'm going to sign in. Okay, so this is where if your item sold, you're going to want to enter the buyer's address here. So let's say your item sold and you're going to want to ship it out to them. You actually don't have to order it to yourself. What you could do, or AliExpress will do for you, is actually ship it to the buyer's address as long as you enter it here. You're going to pay for it, but it will be shipped over to the buyer. And then once it arrives to the buyer, eBay will send you your money, and you will get paid and receive the profit. So obviously you want to take into account the total here, as that will be your total expense. So yeah, you're going to want to take that into account. You're also going to take into account how much you sold it for, obviously, and that will be your profit. But again, so your item sells, you head over to AliExpress, you choose the item that you sold, and then you enter the buyer's address here, so you click add new address and you fill everything out. Pay for it, you say place order, and then boom, it gets sent over to the buyer's address, and then you get paid without even having to touch the item. So yeah, that is how you will be doing your items.